Hello everybody! Today is the 7th of December, so I will open my 7th Türchen. So, I will start with the custom made. And what have we got? Oh, so I think the motif slowly... Oh no, it's still a bit ice skating, but we see different parts of the motifs. Oh, and there's a taffy again, a mamba. I will have that in a minute. Yeah, still ice skating. Okay, you will see what it is when I have done it. So that was my custom made, and then we got the Merry Mischief one. And I open this up, and what's inside? It's a pink background and maybe a bear or something. It's a brown animal, so we'll see it in a minute. Okay, then let's start with the jigsaws. As you can see, it was a raccoon, and he is stuck in the chimney with all the presents. Look at him. So that's quite cute. I like that motif a lot. And in Germany, we call raccoons Waschbären, and Waschbär means like washing bear, kind of. So it was a bear. I wasn't wrong. So that's the raccoon. And here we've got the segment of the big jigsaw. And as you can see, more ice skating. So what are they doing? I can't really say what the boys are up to. Maybe they are all falling down. So we've got some balloons here. And we've got a man with a teddy bear and a penguin head, whatever. Okay, and what else have we got? Oh, look at that little girl. So that's nice. And as you can see here, it's the edge of the skating arena. So there is something above, but what is it? Here's the edge too. So I'm very curious what we will see. And it's not the part that goes here, the gap we had yesterday. It is the part we can connect here. Okay, I will do that, but I will hang the camera above me because it's pretty hard to do it with one hand. So let me just put the camera up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put the raccoon here for a second. Then I slide this down. And then let's see. Oh, look at that. We can just fit it in here. Look how easy that was with two hands available. And as you could see, There's a lot of dust or something today, and it was all in the bag from the raccoon. So that's why I had to clean up before I started. But I don't like it when you've got little dust things on the table. Okay, that's it for today, and we will see us tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and when you like what you see, it would help me very much if you just hit the like button, because that would help my channel grow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.